Incredible.
So they are visiting first time and they don't know the dosa, what is the dosa, and they said we're going to try. Then he said to make it nice. So how is the dosa?
It's amazing.
Delicious.
So keep coming here again.
Absolutely.
Thank you. कृष्ण प्रभु जी माता जी डोसा कैसे लगा?
बहुत अच्छा, very good.
Thank you, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So how's the food?
It is absolutely delicious. We love it.
माता जी
या बहुत ही अच्छा खाना बनाया और एकदम क्या बोलते हैं उसे जैसे प्रेयर करके बनाया हो, प्रार्थना करके डिवाइन खाना है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा संतुष्टि मिलती है खाने में।
Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna माता जी, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. निकुंज प्रभु की जय. Sunday feast.
Adhikata.
Hare Krishna, welcome to Govindas Food Court, and today is Sunday, so we have big buffet today. We have fried rice, pakoda curry, dal makhani, dry bendi, the paneer makhani, then dry gobi, koftas, then some roasted cabbage with cabbage and carrot corn. Then we have some pakodas, both kind of pakoda, the pasta, then we have khaja, mango halwa, then a puri, then we have nice salad and yogurt, salad dressing, pickle and 2 type of drinks. So this is the today buffet, and we have other items here. We have a lot of drinks here. And we have samosas, aloo paratahs, burger, pizza, Philly sandwich, dahi papdi, pani puri, then all the takeaway item, Manchurian, then have lemon rice, paneer, dal, dokla, pakoda, gulab jamun, coconut sandesh, barfi, Jagannath khaja, snacks, other thing, and the special thing we made this time is called gongura pickle. It's very famous and people like it that. So the very good one. And we have Mysore pak, dry kachuri and other thing. So, and we have outside like dosa too. So please come and take blessing from Radha Madan Manji. It's a Sunday program. A lot of people, 1,000 people will be here. So and come to Govindas, visit, and a lot of variety. You can choose anything you need. Pizza also there, and make your day happy. Hare Krishna.
How long was this retreat? Second cousin. So